Now, do you think that a husband taking the stereotype, I mean, it's more than a stereotype. It is true that men tend to be more sexually driven. They tend to have a higher, you would know the actual word for it, but desire more frequency of sex and all of those things.
Generally.
You're right, generally. So do you think a man would be more likely to say, yep, I'll sleep with my wife? I'm wondering if desire level even before the crisis happened is going to make a difference. How more sexually charged someone is going to make a difference in their decision they would make here.
Well, of course, the stronger the libido, the greater the likelihood people will want to do this. But interestingly, when it comes to men and women, when it comes to affairs, women tend to resent more the relationship that my husband had with this other person. Mm-hmm. And men tend to resent more the physical aspects of it.